Hi Mike, I'm Commander Brett Walacki, and this is Spaceship Mercury 1. Spaceship Mercury 1 has really been falling apart these couple of days, so can you help us? Hi, this is how you get into Spaceship Mercury 1. You have to put in an access card. We've been hit by a couple of asteroids, and look at the damage it's done. In my bubble, my control panel in my bubble sometimes breaks when I steer the station. Hi Mike, this is the transformer room. And this is the engine switch, and this is where the two solid rocket boosters, and this is the transformer for the control panel. And it's starting to fall apart, so we need your help. Hi Mike, this is the observation tower, and the sidewall's falling apart, and it's losing oxygen, and I'm being scared of falling and being sucked out into space. I can even walk out here, but this isn't a door. Mike, some of the electrical wiring has been cut, and it's very dangerous, like this. Hi, I'm heading to the control room. Hi Mike, this is how we control the lights. And I'm getting a little bit worried of what these wires are going to do someday. And Dad did all this wiring. The spaceship used to be really level, but now look at it now. This is my quarters where I sleep and rest, and I'm getting a little too big for it. Mike, this is the control room, and this is where we started building Spaceship Mercury 1. So, Mike, we are going to build a big space club, and this is where the new spaceship is going to go. This is going to be a hallway, and this is going to, here is going to be the new observation tower. And around here is going to be a little more hallway. And here is going to be all the bunk beds. So I hope you can help us, okay? Thank you, Mike. Bye.